Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered what it would be like to live among the stars? Imagine floating in a sprawling space station, a marvel of human ingenuity as it orbits our beautiful planet. Here, astronauts experience weightlessness, conduct groundbreaking experiments, and gaze out at the stunning blue marble of Earth below. Today, we'll embark on a journey into the extraordinary experience of living on a space station, exploring the daily routines, the challenges faced, and the incredible discoveries that await those who venture into the cosmos. From the awe of waking up in space to the profound insights gained from conducting research, life in orbit is a unique blend of science, adventure, and human resilience. So, buckle up as we dive into this incredible world above us. Hi everyone, I'm thrilled to take you on this journey into life aboard a space station. Whether it's the International Space Station, ISS, or future habitats on Mars, living in space offers experiences unlike any other. But what does a typical day look like up there? Let's find out. Life in space starts with waking up, but it's not your ordinary morning routine. Astronauts wake up to the sounds of their favorite music or a gentle alarm. No roosters here. Because the space station orbits Earth approximately every 90 minutes, the day-night cycle can feel a bit disorienting. To help maintain a sense of routine, astronauts follow a carefully planned schedule that aligns with Earth time zones. Their day is packed with tasks, from scientific experiments to physical training, making it crucial to stay organized and focused. Now, let's talk about getting dressed in zero gravity. Imagine trying to put on socks while floating. Astronauts have to use Velcro and straps to keep their clothing in place, often resorting to creative methods to avoid losing anything to the void. Their clothing is designed for functionality, often made from moisture-wicking materials to manage sweat during physical activities. It's fascinating to think about how something as simple as getting dressed becomes a unique challenge in space. Exercise is a critical part of maintaining astronaut health. In a weightless environment, muscles and bones can weaken, which is why astronauts spend about 2 hours a day on rigorous workouts. They use specially designed equipment like treadmills with harnesses and resistance machines that simulate weight training. This not only helps prevent physical deterioration, but also boosts mental health. The routine of exercising creates a sense of normalcy and is vital for maintaining overall well-being. Now, let's move on to one of the most intriguing aspects of life in space: eating. Astronaut meals are carefully packaged and designed to provide balanced nutrition, with options ranging from rehydratable soups to hearty entrees. They come in pouches, containers, and even trays, each designed to minimize mess in microgravity. Astronauts have to use a special water dispenser to rehydrate dehydrated food, and they must be cautious to avoid crumbs or spills, which can cause issues with equipment or even be a hazard. Meal times become social events, where astronauts share not just food, but also camaraderie and personal stories from their lives on Earth. A significant part of an astronaut's day is dedicated to scientific research. The microgravity environment of the space station allows scientists to study phenomena that can't be replicated on Earth. Experiments range from growing plants in space, helping us understand how agriculture might work on other planets, to studying the effects of radiation on biological samples. These investigations can lead to groundbreaking discoveries in medicine, technology, and our understanding of fundamental science. Each experiment is a step toward unlocking the secrets of the universe and preparing for human exploration beyond Earth. One of the most awe-inspiring aspects of life in space is undoubtedly the view. Astronauts witness breathtaking sunrises and sunsets every 90 minutes, creating a kaleidoscope of colors as the sun rises and sets over Earth. Many astronauts describe this experience as life-changing, offering a profound perspective on our planet and the fragile nature of life. They often express a newfound appreciation for Earth, feeling a deep connection to humanity and a responsibility to protect our home. This perspective shift, known as the overview effect, transforms the way astronauts see themselves and their place in the universe. However, while the beauty of space is captivating, living in orbit presents its own set of challenges. Astronauts can communicate with their loved ones via email and video calls, but there can be time delays and interruptions that affect the quality of interactions. The isolation and confinement of space can sometimes lead to feelings of homesickness and loneliness. Maintaining mental health is as important as physical health. Astronauts often rely on strong bonds with their crewmates, sharing experiences and supporting each other to navigate the emotional challenges of long missions. This camaraderie is essential for creating a positive atmosphere in such an isolated environment. Maintenance is another critical aspect of life aboard a space station. Astronauts regularly check and repair equipment to ensure everything operates smoothly. They often have to troubleshoot technical issues in real time, requiring a mix of training, creativity, and teamwork. This hands-on experience not only keeps the station operational, but also equips astronauts with valuable skills they can bring back to Earth. The ability to adapt and innovate in challenging situations is key to the success of any mission, and these skills are essential for the future of human space exploration. Even within the demanding schedule of a space mission, downtime is vital for mental health. Astronauts engage in recreational activities to unwind. Watching movies, reading books, playing musical instruments, or even enjoying a good podcast. These moments of leisure are essential for reducing stress and fostering relationships among crew members. Sharing stories and laughter can create a strong sense of community, helping to combat the challenges of isolation. So, what does it feel like to live in space? It's a blend of extraordinary experiences, scientific discovery, and personal challenges. Each astronaut's journey is unique, shaped by their backgrounds and perspectives. The time spent on a space station not only contributes to scientific knowledge, but also inspires a sense of unity among people on Earth. The experience of living and working in space opens our eyes to what's possible, not just for science, but for humanity as a whole. It's a remarkable testament to human ingenuity and our quest for exploration. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, the lessons learned from living on space stations will pave the way for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. The dream of a sustainable human presence in space is closer than ever. With each mission, we gather invaluable insights that will inform future exploration and habitation beyond Earth. This journey is not just about science. It's about our collective future as a species. If you enjoyed this journey into life aboard a space station and want to learn more about space exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What fascinates you most about living in space? Share in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Keep looking up and exploring the wonders of the universe with us. Until next time, may your dreams be as limitless as space itself.